Hey everyone, I am so excited for today's video. Many of you know that I've worked with live models, with barbershops, salons, and stylists for many years, and I'm really happy to announce that I'm gonna be collaborating with John. John here is an owner of two barbershops, one in Brooklyn, in New York, and one in New Jersey, in Highland Park. The great thing about this, there's two things. One is I actually saw the work he did, and I said, my gosh, a barber who actually understands haircut shapes, layering. So I'm really excited to collaborate with him. And he's gonna be on my channel hopefully numerous times. And we're filming a bunch of videos today. So you will be seeing John's work and hopefully some of his team as well. So what John is going to be doing today is working with this live model. And the one thing that I want to point out before John even starts working his expertise and masterpiece is that his hair. This is the hair type that a lot of people, a lot of you viewers are always asking about, right? It's very thick hair and it's got like a natural wave and a natural texture to it. He wants to grow it out. So this is gonna be a great video and John's gonna kind of give his insight as a barber to how he handles this type of shape.
Hi everybody, my name is John. I am the owner of the Studio Brooklyn. And I'm here today with Steven, the Salon Guy. I've been watching him for many years now on his YouTube channel. And I am honored to be here doing a live demonstration for this collaborative event. This is our model here today. He has really amazing thick wavy hair that we're gonna work with. And we're just gonna get into, what he's looking to get done and how I can give some of my input on what I think is gonna be best for him as well. All right, yeah, what are we looking to get done today?
Still trying to grow it out, so just trying to add some structure to it as it grows. I think it's gotten a little messy the last couple of months. So just trying to, make it look a little neater and keep it growing.
Okay, so really preparing it so that you can grow it out further, and that as you grow it out, it has a little bit of an identity to it instead of just being a grown out, mess in a way.
I think I'm just trying to figure out like how long I want to get it to.
Okay.
I'm quite happy with the length now. I'm happy to take it like a little bit shorter if needed, but
okay.
Just curious to see what you want to do with it and how we can add structure.
Yeah, sure. So I can kind of tell that the previous hairstyle wasn't really optimized for this length. So what I want to do is pretty much just go in and release the weight in areas that it doesn't really belong in, just so that it can have a more complementing shape as it grows out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah. And on the sideburns, were we looking to do anything like a taper or keeping it natural?
I think keep it natural.
Keep it natural?
Yeah.
Okay. If anything, I'll just clean up anything that's like touching the ears and making sure that it's nice and neat.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah. Amazing. Oh, and what hairstyle are you trying to grow it out to, or are you just growing it out to see what you like over time?
Yeah, I think the second, like just trying to see what suits me. I like when it looks really natural.
Yeah.
So just trying to see like how it looks as it grows and adjust from there, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, experimenting.
Yeah, exactly.
Great. Awesome.
Sounds good.
All right. All right, guys, so this is our finished result here. This is a haircut that is built to last and to continue growing out. What we did is we just added balance to the haircut. Before, it was cut for a style that wasn't optimized for this length. So now that my client here has grown out his hair, our biggest objective was to just add shape. So it may seem like he didn't get much of a haircut, but that's actually the entire purpose of it. So what we did is we did uniform square layers on the top here going horizontally, just so that we can release the weight inward, so that as he styles his hair, you can see the curls visually come out a little bit more. Before, it was a little bit flatter, as you saw in the beginning of the video, where the hair didn't want to curl up as much. Now with this layering style, the hair is much more, the curls are much more encouraged to do its thing naturally. So what he's gonna find out from this is when he styles his hair in the morning, it's gonna be a lot easier for him to see the visual curls. And not only that, we also adjusted the silhouette so that everything is very balanced. It's not too heavy in the front, where it takes most of the attention away from the silhouette coming from the back and the sides here. So overall, more of a balancing haircut than an actual haircut transformation. And that is exactly what we were trying to achieve today.
John, I have to say, you did a phenomenal job. Watching you do this, I have seen people cut hair, thousands of times, and between barbers and hairstylists. And as a hairstylist myself, watching a barber, I have to say that I'm very impressed with your cutting skills, okay? Because as someone who, and you said you've even watched my videos in the past, I have a very systematic way of cutting hair, which is very similar to what you did, and I really respect what you did, and that really shows in the shape, and I hope you all appreciate this. So if you are looking to connect with John, because I'm retired from clients, so he has one shop in Highland Park, New Jersey, and I'll tag his Instagram down below in the description, and he has one in Brooklyn. I can honestly say, if you're looking for a level of this, and he is a premium service, I would highly suggest checking him out. Finally, John, I've been looking for you for years. Someone to refer people to, you know what I mean? So really, really great job, man.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it, especially coming from you. It means a lot to me.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Thanks for being a model today. I appreciate it. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.